Do you know what it's like when you're out here, the perfect spot, out camping in nature, and you've got all your devices to stay connected? I've got my laptop PC, for instance. I got my smartphone. I've got, of course, my drone for aerial photography, a charge bank to use with the likes of my mobile phone, as well as, you know, everything else you can think of, up to 90% of appliances. But what you also have is, well, nowhere to charge it. I can't very well plug into a socket there. I've got nowhere to charge it. I'm out here camping. I've got my car at best with a cigarette lighter charge socket. But what I do have with me, which, well, is a smart solution, is welcome to this, the EcoFlow Delta 2. We're talking seriously impressive power on the go. We're talking 90% of appliances and devices being charged, and it's out here where with its Life PoE 4 battery, you get 3,000 cycles, a 10-year lifespan, and it's really out here, having moved away from the home where we unboxed it. There you can connect to the likes of home routers, lamps, keep yourself charged through the likes of load shedding or power outages. I have my TV at home running off it. It's run flawlessly and been a dream, but it's out here camping where I want to have power on the go to power my device, something like 90 charges on a smartphone, the likes of 20-30 times on my drone battery. I love my aerial photography, I love driving, spending time in nature, and it's out here snacking and having a good time out at a campsite that you can really get the full benefit. You also find with options like charging it in the car, charging it with solar panels, the clever solar panel system from EcoFlow, a couple of hours you get a full battery life charge there, and you can of course add EcoFlow additional batteries, 2 and 3 extra kilowatt hours. So if you want some seriously impressive power, you got it on the go. It is a fantastic, fantastic solution. The other one I brought to the party is this, one of my other favorite compact devices, the EcoFlow River 2. A link to this will be in the description below. I did a full detailed review, and it is also an incredible device. One thing that's clear with EcoFlow products are, if you want cutting edge, if you want the industry standard, and if you want quality, there is simply an unrivaled product mix from EcoFlow. We took a look at the device earlier, but really from USB-A to USB-C, fast charging, car charging, solar powered charging, an array of devices, you name it, it really has got you covered.